Hello guys, welcome to Dance IT Network channel, and for today's video is we will create an email server. Okay, for us to start, let's review first the IP address that we will be using. The first one, this is for the PC. Okay, PC1. Um, the IP address will be 192.168.1.2, and for the second PC, we will be using 192.168.1.3. And for the email server, we will be using this IP address 192.168.1.254. And for the domain name on the email, it should be at cisco.mail. Okay. And we will create a two user on the email. So email user one, um, he will be using this username Dan, and then password it's admin. Okay. And for the email user two, it should be a username is Angel, and password is admin. Okay, so you notice on the first letter it's a capital. All right. Okay, so let's proceed. Let's get one server first on the end devices. Let's get one server. Okay, and I'm gonna label this first. Say email server. Okay, and then let's get a switch. Okay, because we need two computers. All right, and I'm gonna label the switch as SW1. So we will not gonna use a router in here because we are on the same network. Okay, so but we're not gonna use other networks. So we're not gonna use a router. Okay, and then we need to get two PC, one PC here, and another PC here. Okay, and I'm gonna label this the IP address. Okay, this is for the PC1. So it's 1.2. Gonna change. Sorry. Okay, it's 192.168.1.2. Okay. And for this PC, it should have the IP address 192.168.1.3. Okay. All right. And I'm gonna connect them using straight through cable from this PC, fast Ethernet 0 to switch. Just gonna pick here the first one, 0/1, and next one, fast Ethernet 0, connect to fast Ethernet 0/2 on the switch, and then on the server, hit the server, fast Ethernet 0, and then let's say the last one, okay, fast Ethernet 0/24. Okay, all right, and then let's configure the IP address then. All right, I'm gonna start with this PC. Go to the desktop IP configuration. Okay, I'm gonna put the IP address 192.168.1.2. So the mask is 255.255.255.0 since this is a class C, and we don't need a default gateway since we don't have any router. Okay, just gonna close this and let's proceed to the next PC. Desktop. Okay, then IP configuration. Let's give it an IP address 192.168.1.3, and subnet mask is automatic. It's class C, and let's close this. Right, so we will not gonna configure any IP address on the switch. Okay, because this PC, this two PC and this server, they belong to just one network. Okay, so definitely the switch do know what to do. And I'm gonna click the server. Let's give it an IP address, desktop, IP configuration, and then let's give it 192.168.1.254. Okay, so as it's automatic, it's 255.255.255.0. Okay, I'm gonna close this. All right, and before we start configuring the email server, let's make sure that we can ping from this PC to the server and this PC to the server. Let's do that. I'll click the PC, select the command prompt, and I'll ping the email server. ping space 192.168.1.254. Okay, and it's sending a reply. Good. On the other PC, we'll do the same thing. I'll ping the email server 192.168.1.254. Okay, and it's going through. I'm gonna close this one now. So let's configure now the email server. Okay, go to server and then go to the services. Okay, and then select the email. Just click the email. Okay, so the email is on by default. Well, that is good. Okay, so we need to on the SMTP service, which is this is when you send email. All right, and then for the POP3 service, this is to deliver. Okay, and it's on. Should on uh, this too. Okay, make sure that this both are on. Okay, and then the domain name we need to be at cisco.mail. So we need to put it here. Okay, at cisco.mail. Okay, and click set, and then we need to create a username and password. So we'll start to create this one. The email user one will be um, Dan. Okay, and then password is admin and add it. Okay, and the second user, let's add Angel. Okay, the email user to let's say okay, Angel, and then um, password same thing, admin. Okay, just for this tutorial. Okay, simple username and simple password. Okay, there you go. So we do have a username set up, right? And I'm gonna close this one now, and I'm gonna go ahead with this PC. Okay, so this will be the let's say for example this is Dan's computer. Okay, Dan, and then here will be Angel. Okay, right, there you go. And I'm gonna open Dan's computer. Okay, and I'm gonna go to the email, of course, and then I'm just gonna write here the name. Of course, it's Dan, and the email address that I will be using. Okay, say it's my name, of course, Dan. All right, small letter Dan, and then at. Okay, we need to follow the domain. Okay, which is cisco.mail. Okay, so cisco.mail. So this will be the email of Dan. Then okay, Dan at cisco.mail, and then the incoming mail server. It should be the IP address of the email server, which is this one. Okay, I'm gonna put it here 192.168.1.254. Okay, and also for the outgoing mail server, it's the same thing because we only have one server, right? So I'm gonna put it same IP 192.168.1.254. Okay, and then what is the username of Dan? Okay, so we create this Dan, all right, and then the password that we set for Dan is admin. Okay, and then save. So now Dan is online. Okay, and then we will go on the Angel's computer and we'll open up her email. Okay, let's set here Angel. Okay, and then the email address Angel would be Angel at at mail. I'm sorry at um, Cisco mail. Okay, and the IP address it's the email server, of course, 192.168.1.254. Okay, just gonna copy this same. Okay, and of course the credential that we created to Angel is Angel for the username. Okay, just this one, right? Angel, and then password is admin. Oh, let me try it again, right? And then hit save. And now Angel is online. All right. So let's see here. Let's get Dan. So this is Dan. All right. This is Dan, right? Remember, and this is Angel. Okay. Or let us type here so that to avoid confusion. Okay. So this is Dan, right? And let's change this to Angel. So you can see. Click here and click here. All right, there we go. So this is Dan and this is Angel. Okay. So let's just say I want to send an email to Angel. Okay. Say I'll compose and then I'll write down her email, which is angel at cisco.mail, right? And then subject this, put it hello, and then this is a test email. Okay. All right, and then let's send the email message though. Clicking send. Oh, looks like there's an error. Okay, domain name configured at server is not correct. Oh, okay. Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna close this one. Okay, and close this. Let's check the server. Okay, let's check the server. Uh, Go to email. Then it says here at cisco.mail. Well, oh, okay. So we actually shouldn't include then the at in here. Okay, it should be just cisco.mail. Okay, I'm gonna set this up. All right, I'm sorry for that. And then I'm gonna close this, and then I'm gonna open Dan's computer and Angel's computer. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the email then. All right, and then again, let me try to compose again. I'll send it to Angel. Angel um, at cisco.mail. Okay, and hello. Say this like this is a pass, and it's good to go. Okay, so it says in here sending mail to Angel at cisco.mail with subject hello, mail server 192.168.1.254 send success. All right, so let's go on the Angel's computer and let's see if we receive the email. I'm gonna hit the receive it here, and there you go. All right, I'm gonna click it here. All right, I received an email from Dan at cisco.mail and says this is a test. And just kind of have to reply. I said, got it. Okay, got it. All right, just gonna say that. And then I'll send it. Okay, and it went through. Send success. All right, and then let's go on the Dan's computer and let's see if we receive the reply. Okay, receive. There we go. It's from angel at cisco.mail. Okay, I'm gonna click this and it says got it. Okay, so now the email is working.